here's how you use your captain chair seats. Now in the back and front, you're gonna have here your foldable armrest if you need them to have a more comfy ride. Here at the left, about mid-size, you're gonna have a black lever. Pull it up so you can lean down to your preference. Next, right here at the bottom of your feet, go ahead, lift up and just move up and down, or you can slide back or forward to your liking. Lastly, how do we spin our captain chairs? Now, if we get down the van or the seats, right here at the bottom, you're going to have this black lever. Pull it and just spin your chair and start enjoying. Now, you can do the same thing with the front captain chair seats. Just make sure here on your door, Mercedes door panel, just lean it a little bit forward. The same with your seat back. And here at the front, at the bottom, you're going to have a lever. Pull it towards you. Spin it around. And you can have it looking up this way as well.